Check it out. Something's making noise down there. Should I go down there? What the fuck? Fuck it. I'm a trooper. Hello? Anybody in here? Yo, yo. You heard that? Ooh. Okay. This thing doesn't want me in here. Let me get out of here. Fuck now. Oh, that shit was scary. The hell? What's that? You hear that? What is it? Never heard that noise before. It's getting closer. Whoa. Should I investigate what the fuck it is? Should I investigate? Fuck it. They don't call me Crazy Tony for nothing. I need to know what the fuck is that. For real. What the fuck? What is it? Wait. What is no fucking water in here? We. Yo. Ooh. There's some more of them. Oh, there's 3 of them now. Did you see that over there? The fuck is this on my camera? I seen eyes looking at me. What the fuck? Wait. That shit is creepy right there. Some benches. I heard steps. What the fuck? Is there a cow over there now? Scary right here. I'm gonna get out of here. I don't know what the hell is there. Oh shit.